Are you ready to uncover the truth about moringa leaves and their potential health benefits? Let's dive in. The miracle tree's secret. Moringa, often referred to as the miracle tree, has been making waves in the health and fitness community. But what's all the hype about? Well, prepare to be amazed as we explore the incredible advantages this humble leaf can offer. Digestive superhero. Imagine a natural remedy that not only aids digestion, but also soothes your stomach's acid troubles. That's right, moringa leaves are here to save the day. According to Dr. Manickam, a renowned gastroenterologist, these leaves can neutralize stomach acid, providing relief for those suffering from acid reflux and GERD. But that's not all. Moringa's anti-inflammatory properties are like a healing balm for your gut lining, reducing inflammation and promoting a healthier digestive system. Unleashing the power of phytochemicals. Moringa leaves are packed with phytochemicals, such as glucosinolates, which act as digestive secretions boosters. These natural compounds enhance your body's ability to break down food, ensuring efficient digestion and nutrient absorption. Blood sugar control, a game changer. Now, here's where it gets even more intriguing. Research suggests that moringa leaves may be a game changer for individuals dealing with diabetes. Extracts from these leaves have shown promising results in stabilizing blood sugar levels and improving insulin function. By potentially reducing the risk of organ damage, moringa could slow down the progression of diabetes and its associated complications. A natural remedy for stomach woes. Say goodbye to stomach problems with moringa. Early studies indicate that moringa leaves may protect against colon cancer and even act as a mild laxative, providing natural relief for constipation. Its ability to regulate stomach acid production could prevent peptic ulcers, while its anti-inflammatory nature shields the gut lining, reducing the likelihood of conditions like ulcerative colitis. The cancer-fighting potential. And this is the part most people miss, moringa's potential as a cancer-fighting agent. It contains a unique compound called niacinamide, which is believed to inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells. Scientific studies have also suggested that various parts of the moringa plant, including the bark, possess cytotoxic properties, meaning they could directly target and eliminate cancerous cells. While more research is needed, these findings open up exciting possibilities for moringa's role in cancer prevention and treatment. Incorporating moringa into your diet. So, how can you enjoy the benefits of moringa leaves? You have several options. You can eat them raw in salads, add them to cooked dishes like stir fries and curries, or steep them in hot water to make a delicious tea. For a convenient and concentrated form, moringa capsules are also available. Alternatively, you can dry and grind the leaves into a fine powder, which can be easily blended into smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or your favorite beverages. So what do you think? Are you ready to give moringa a try? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's discuss and explore the potential of this remarkable plant together.